Welcome to the Certified AI Security Officer Certification Program, a comprehensive course designed to equip professionals with the essential skills and knowledge needed to navigate the complex landscape of AI security. In today's rapidly evolving technological environment, artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly integrated into various aspects of business and society. With this integration comes a new set of security challenges that require specialized expertise. The Certified AI Security Officer program addresses these challenges head-on, providing participants with a deep understanding of AI technologies, security frameworks, and risk management strategies. Throughout this intensive course, you'll explore a wide range of topics, including the fundamentals of AI and cybersecurity, AI-specific threats and vulnerabilities, risk assessment and mitigation strategies for AI systems, ethical considerations in AI security, legal and regulatory frameworks governing AI, secure AI development practices, incident response planning for AI-related breaches. Our program combines theoretical knowledge with practical, hands-on exercises, ensuring that you're not just learning concepts, but also gaining real-world skills. You'll work through scenarios involving model inversion, evasion attacks, and the risks associated with using publicly available datasets and models. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped to identify and mitigate AI-specific security risks, implement robust AI governance policies, ensure compliance with relevant regulations and standards, lead AI security initiatives within your organization. The Certified AI Security Officer program is ideal for cybersecurity professionals, IT managers, data scientists, and executives responsible for AI implementation and security. Upon successful completion of the course and passing the certification exam, you'll join an elite group of professionals at the forefront of AI security. In an era where AI is reshaping industries and creating new opportunities, the need for skilled AI security professionals has never been greater. This certification will not only enhance your career prospects but also position you as a leader in this critical and rapidly growing field. Invest in your future and become a certified AI security officer. Join us in shaping the secure future of artificial intelligence. Get certified by Brit Certifications and Assessments, a prestigious UK-based certification body. Write to us on training@isss.org.uk for your winning next batch.